Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome when it opens a new window every time you click on something. First, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Now, disable all your Chrome extensions. Once they're disabled, close the settings. Next, open google.com and click Settings at the bottom of the page. Select Search Settings, then open Other Settings. Look for Results in a new window and make sure this option is turned off. Now, test a few links to see if the issue is fixed. If Chrome is still opening links in new windows, click the three dots again, go to Settings, and scroll down to Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click Reset Settings. Once that's done, try opening a link again. Chrome should now stop opening links in new windows. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.